So this is week 5 of building a startup in 7 weeks. So my name is Mario and I'm an incoming 4th-year Physics and Astrophysics student at Trinity College Dublin. I am doing a youth accelerator program in Dublin. It's called Patch, and during this series I am documenting the process of building a startup, a product in just 7 weeks. So today, Monday, I woke up to go to Doc Patch Labs where we're doing the whole program. Made the coffee, as always, never skip the coffee. It's free, it's great coffee. This machine is coated. So during the morning we had a call with an alumni from Patch. He did the similar project to us, so we did it to gyms and to automation, so it's great talking to him. We managed to develop a way to track human faces and to identify them with the name. So just by uploading a few pictures of a person and with the name already, you can get a really good prediction of, oh yeah, that's Mario. During the afternoon we had a really cool talk by an employee from OpenAI, software engineer, and he was talking to us about OpenAI agents. I never thought that I would be seeing an OpenAI employee firsthand, so it's actually pretty cool. And yeah, that was the day of today. We have a person coming in tomorrow, really cool guy. The week's just starting. On Wednesday we'll be going to Stripe again, so I'll see you guys. Today, Tuesday, we had a really cool talk by a clinical psychologist and also neuroscientist. It was super cool to hear from him as we got to see a course that he's produced that are based off the books that he's written. Not only did he give us like lots of insights, frameworks for managing different things like confidence in this case, he also brought these insights into the actual science, into the neuroscience. You have to be just at the exact amount of excitement or arousal so you're able to perform well. He was able to explain it through the noradrenaline, which is an actual chemical that our brains produce. Really refreshing to hear a bit about things that you usually know they happen, but not only that, but like be able to like express them as words. Project wise, the progress that we got today, I made on Figma the screen for when you're actually starting the workout already and you're having the AI voice and you're being shown your current repetitions and set. So tomorrow is our last day going to the Stripe offices with our Stripe mentors. We have like some employees assigned to each team. They are giving us some honest insights of like, okay, this is maybe not too good, this could be good, this kind of stuff. Tomorrow we'll be at the Stripe offices, but yeah, that's everything for today. Not much, to be honest. I didn't actually manage to do much, but at least you got to see the talk from the clinical psychologist, which is actually pretty interesting and got me thinking about lots of stuff. So this Wednesday we had the third and last visit to the Stripe offices in Dublin. I couldn't make the second one because I had COVID, as you may know. So I missed that. We got to go to the 4th floor because the first time that I went there we were only limited to the 6th floor in like a very small room. Now we're literally like given a whole floor for ourselves. So when we arrived we saw that there were loads of books waiting for us, kind of explainers of different topics. So there were a few really interesting ones, like this one on open source, security, programming languages, cloud computing, and then this very small book which is like a kind of essay about housing, climate change and inequality and productivity. So it's actually quite an interesting one as well. I'll be giving these ones a read soon enough. And then we had a really nice talk by 3 Stripe employees, each one working on different things.
Instead of going into full-on product or engineering, actually ended up deciding they wanted to talk to people about it on the other person's job, like what industry they're in, what their tech stack looks like, all that kind of stuff.
Today I was working on a kind of platform, kind of dashboard, and they get reports of machine usage, on like certain suggestions and actions that they should take. How much is this thing used? How much is that thing used? Maybe we should have another of this machine, you know what I mean? And later we have lunch, which was incredible. Like once again, Stripe has really good lunch. Like only for that I would work there. And during the afternoon we got to meet our mentor from Stripe, and actually his wife is a personal trainer, so it's quite an interesting one. They also have loads of really fun drinks that you can literally get. They're free. I got like a kind of green tea. Oh yeah, it's not here. Oh shit, I gotta go to the kitchen, give me a sec. We are back with the green tea. Look at this. It's even in Japanese. Like you can tell it's gonna be good. So yeah, I think I got addicted to green tea since my friend Leon gave me some. And yeah, we got back to our accommodation and we had dinner. We had some pizza delivered.
Oh,
For the vlog.
obviously, bro. Like,
And feed the seagull. Don't feed the seagull.
bruh.
And then I headed out to the city center once again to Temple Bar because my cousin actually has come to visit, has arrived to Ireland with a few friends from college in Spain, and they're gonna be doing like a road trip. I spent some time with them, chilling at the pub. There was some live music. really great vibe, and I got to see my cousin, who I actually don't see that much. I only see him like once a year, every January. It was also great to meet his friends and had a really nice time with some Spanish people in Dublin. And then I got back here a bit late, not too late, like 10 p.m. I couldn't manage to film. I was like, it doesn't make any sense. I also called my girlfriend afterwards, so like I was not gonna film. So I was like, I'll just film today. I headed to Dogpatch Labs in the morning. So some people from the cohort were gonna be visiting a robotics company in Dublin. I never considered going because first, I'm not doing robotics or hardware, and in theory I had a team meeting with our mentor. It got delayed, decided why not, let's just go and join them. I thought, what is the thing I will regret the least in the further future? And I thought it would be going to the robotics companies. It was literally so close to the Guinness storehouse, which is the Guinness factory. There were still like the rails that they used to bring the beer into the factory. Yeah. We're here at Akara Robotics. We're doing a visit. We're arriving late, so let's hope we manage to get in. But it's like we don't really find anything saying Akara Robotics. So yeah, hopefully they let us in, no? So it was like a really cool place to have an office. I've never been in this kind of environment where you can tell it's like an early startup. They make robots, like their main product right now navigates and goes through hospitals, radiates UV light. Germs can be killed just by shooting them high energy radiation. So then we got back. We had a talk by Dan Hobbs. He's the CEO of Protex AI. They are revolutionizing the sectors of manufacturing and logistics by using computer vision to provide warnings and reports to reduce the risk of injury. So it is not the first time that I listen to him and that I get to see him, because he went to Trinity, to the Entrepreneur Society. I was filming the whole thing. We uploaded a few reels on Instagram about the conversation. So after the talk, I went to Trinity for lunch. I visited my friends. They are doing research internships during the summer at Trinity. After spending some time with my college friends, I just realized that I had forgot. We had a football pitch reserved, like a kind of activity for the cohort to just play football. So yeah, we played football for like 2 hours almost. I scored 2 goals. I need to keep my Spanish reputation, you know, like we're just born with it. So we got back from the football and we had dinner, and then just got back here. Actually, I'm serious. I'm gonna be dead serious. I got nothing done today, but like I think it's fine, and I believe today it was good to like go to the robotics company. To obviously we had to go to the talk, and also the football that they had organized for us. This is high note of fun. Come on, like such a crazy day, like loads of things happening. Had a shower, I'm vibing. I had a talk with my parents. Now I'm gonna call my girlfriend, and that's gonna be the end of today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the last day of week 5. So basically it was just going to Dogpatch, spending the whole day over there, working on the dashboard, as you know, trying to do a whole thing about like tracking different areas. It's actually quite complicated. I got the detections working, but not making that much sense. That was basically it for today. Like I feel like yesterday we did so many things that today was like stay at one place and get some stuff done. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week with week 6. Let's go.